Y'all doing okay tonight? Get that camera out my face before I slap you. I like this right here. I need me a piece of gum. Where's the hole at?
You want some of mine?
Yeah.
You want to eat it out of my mouth?
No, that would be nasty. That would be real gross. Darno, Kenny. How you doing? I'm gonna start doing this all the time. I'm starting to get lightheaded. That's Peyton's boyfriend right there. Okay, that's the last of it right there. That's the last of it. Let's go get some more. Let's go get some more.